Alright, this is going to be a monochromic nice picture, and we're just going to paint it something like very incredible painting. I'm going to paint a landscape here. You can see the hilly terrain upwards, and I'm just moving the ups and downs. Okay, you can see after putting the land formation, just put some you can see the brush strokes here like this one, so that you can see the hills. Okay, on top of it just you can put a house, so draw a straight line like this one. Make it inclined, draw like a boat upside down, then make it a little bit this one and put the vertical lines, so you can see the mountains and village how it looks like. Okay, you can put the platforms. And draw some other platforms in the mountains. Okay, then put some vertical elements like this one. Draw like this, another one like this. Okay, and the windows and the door on the side. Okay, so partially visible. Here you can see some tree shapes of the pine trees, so mountain trees, the pointy on top, and you can see the spread out at the bottom. Okay, just draw like this. Also the other branches you can see here. Some other branches are partially visible. Those are not most clearer because those are in a far distance, so you can see the variations in the depths of the trees here. Some trees which are nearer, it has a more depth. The trees which are in a far distance, those has a less depth. So there's the few details of the basic drawing styles. So many trees on the houses here you can see. Also putting the depths. Make the roof line little bit darker and the solid, so that it has a nice impact on the drawings and the background. Okay, all right. Some cloud formations you can see on top with a little bit brush strokes and cloudy sky. do the brushwork with some clear water. Okay, so that's the idea. Very simple painting. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.